Hello guys, I'm Sameer Tendulkar, founder of Khal.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a good profile on Khal. A lot of you have such beautiful recipes and such poor profiles. The moment someone sees a great recipe, the first thing they want to do is visit the profile of the chef who made that dish. Look at this chef for example. She has 91 recipes on the platform. I was curious to know more about this chef. All I could tell was which country she is from, and that's it. I would have loved to know more about her. She did not have her name nor her face in any of the recipes. I showed it to someone in my team and they said just ignore it. Maybe she's just stealing recipes from YouTube and putting it out there. I felt so bad. Such good recipes, such good videos, and nobody knows who made them. Don't be like this chef. Add your names and pictures to your profile. You are the star of your profile. Shine bright. Thank you.